Hello everyone, Jim Roy here with LuxManor Real Estate. So today I'm going to try out a new product that I bought called the Better Vent. My dryer vents to the outside currently, and in the wintertime I'd like to take all that humid, warm air and pump it into my house to see if that's going to work more efficiently for the dryer, but also help me heat my house in the middle of winter. In the summertime, I don't want to have hot air coming in. I pay to have air conditioning and combat any hot air that's in here. So in the summertime, I would reconnect the pipe such that it vents up and out of the house. Now my objectives are to have as few turns as possible in the hose going up and out of the house. So generally I prefer hard pipe, but here between the dryer and the Better Vent, which I'm about to attach to the wall, I'm going to have some flexible pipe, but it's going to be a straight run. So let's take a quick look at the product itself. I am not being paid by this company. I did buy it. I do want to do a review on it and we'll see if it works. Also, this would be great if you happen to live in a condo and they won't allow you to punch a hole in the exterior of the condo building, but you want a dryer in your unit. You can circulate the air into the unit all year long and you just have to pay to combat it in the summertime when you want air conditioning. So let's take a quick look at it. Basically, it has a hole that accepts the warm air from the dryer. It then brings it into this part and then shoots it through this filter right here. So let's go ahead and open it up. We have a metal screen right here and a filter that gets changed periodically. Things that we're going to have to keep in mind are that these little flaps right here need to be able to open. So if I were to put it directly in the corner here and I mounted it like this, I can't open this because this flap doesn't have anywhere to go. It needs to be able to open and be away from the wall. There's also a flap on the top. The objective of this guy right here is when the air is not flowing through here properly, this guy flips open, air starts coming out here, and you're alerted to the fact it's time to change your screen and filter. All right, so let's go ahead and get it installed. So it has holes in the back of it, and I'm just going to go ahead and push these right through. I could use my anchors. I'm going to try it without the anchors first. See how it goes. And I know I'm a good distance away if this guy is all the way open. Okay, feels pretty solid so far, so good. Okay. All right, terrific. Now, next up, let's go ahead and pull my dryer out. And it is dirty back there. Go ahead and take a look. I'm going to go ahead and vacuum this out. So when I turn on the dryer right now without the safety flap weight, you can see it pops open right away. So I take the one with the brown backing and I'm going to go ahead and attach it to this So I'm going to use a book written by one of my clients and cover it up. Now when I get to about 80% blockage, it should pop open. We are at probably closer to 60%. This tells me that I need to add a little bit more weight. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the next weight right here and attach it this time to the top of the safety flap. Special thanks to Kathleen Cranking. That's about 80%, so that's about where I need to be as far as weight on the safety flap. So we'll see. If this thing doesn't work at all, I can always reattach what I had before. It may be terrific, or it might not have been worth the money. It wasn't that expensive, but if it makes my life a little bit easier, okay, let's see how it works. If you like the quality and efficiency of this video, contact a LuxManor realtor the next time you're ready to buy or sell a home.